changing the overweight narrative. Keep the following factors in mind when trying to change your eating habits. Rice and noodles are ubiquitous and important ingredients in practically every recipe in this Asian country, and it's impossible to imagine life without them. Instead of attempting to totally eliminate rice and noodles from daily consumption, how about reducing the amount consumed? There are around 35 calories in a rounded spoonful of cooked rice. The majority of rice dishes, such as fried rice, contain about 20 tablespoons of rice each plate. Without the calories from the other things added to or consumed with the one rice lunch, that's roughly 420 calories. On the first meal of the day, such as a simple plate of nasi lemak with an egg or fried chicken, usually swings between 450 and 800 calories. It's easy to surpass your daily caloric needs.
Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.